Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting your data, so back up to Google or My Cloud now. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, make sure the Poco X3 NFC has at least 50% battery to avoid shutdown mid-process. Next, go into Settings and tap About Phone, then navigate to Backup and Reset or System Backup options. You're initiating the factory reset sequence. These steps prepare the device and ensure you won't lose accounts or files unintentionally. Once in Reset Options, select Erase All Data Factory Reset and read the confirmation prompt carefully because this removes apps and personal files. You'll be asked to confirm with your PIN or password. This protects your phone from unauthorized wipes, so enter it deliberately. Then choose Erase Everything and tap to begin. The phone will erase user data and automatically reboot into a fresh setup. Allow several minutes for the process, and do not interrupt the reboot to avoid corruption. If settings is inaccessible, you can wipe via recovery mode. Power off, then hold power plus volume up until the My logo appears. This enters recovery mode. Once there, use the volume keys to highlight wipe data/factory reset and press power to confirm. After the wipe finishes, choose Reboot System now. The phone will restart clean. If activation lock or My Account block setup, make sure you know the account credentials or use My Account Recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.